When you decide to cut ties with a narcissist, their reaction can be extreme and manipulative. It's crucial to prepare yourself for their tactics so you can stay grounded and firm in your decision. Here's how a narcissist typically reacts and why they behave the way they do. 1. Shock and denial. Narcissists struggle to accept rejection. At first, they might act as if they don't believe you are serious. They might minimize your decision by saying things like, "You're overreacting," or "You'll be back." This denial stems from their inflated sense of importance. In their mind, they can't fathom someone walking away from them. 2. Anger and blame. When denial doesn't work, anger often follows. They might lash out, criticize you, or attempt to guilt trip you. Expect accusations like, "You're the one who's selfish," or "After everything I've done for you, this is how you treat me?" Narcissists have an innate ability to twist situations to make themselves the victim and you the villain. 3. Love bombing and manipulation. If anger doesn't bring you back, they might resort to love bombing. They'll shower you with affection, apologies, and promises to change. This phase is designed to pull you back into their control. Beware of statements like, "I can't live without you," or "You're the only person who understands me." It's an act to regain power, not a genuine change. If their attempts to win you back fail, they'll likely start a smear campaign. Narcissists hate losing control, so they'll try to damage your reputation to protect their ego. They might spread lies about you to mutual friends, family, or colleagues, portraying themselves as the victim. Even after some time has passed, narcissists might attempt to re-enter your life. This tactic, known as hoovering, involves trying to suck you back into their orbit. They might send you nostalgic messages, act as though they've changed, or create crises to gain your sympathy. Be cautious. This is often a ploy to regain control. Narcissists view relationships as a source of validation and control. When you cut ties, it threatens their self-esteem and exposes their vulnerability. Their reactions are less about losing you and more about losing the benefits you provided, whether it was admiration, attention, or a sense of power. Set clear boundaries. Decide on the level of contact you're comfortable with and stick to it. Stay calm and consistent. Don't engage in their emotional outbursts or manipulation. Seek support. Surround yourself with people who understand your situation and can provide guidance. Go no contact if possible. Limiting or cutting off contact entirely can be the most effective way to free yourself from their influence. Walking away from a narcissist can be challenging, but it's a vital step toward reclaiming your peace and self-worth. Understanding their tactics allows you to anticipate their reactions and respond in a way that protects your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, their behavior is a reflection of their issues, not yours.